Hello students, in this video we are going to find the area between two functions, the graphs of two functions, and the x-axis. And we have here the red graph. It's given by the function y equals x. The blue one is given by x squared minus 2. And we have the x-axis, which let's remember that x-axis means that the function is y equals 0. So if I want to find the area that I shaded in yellow, right, I will need to know the coordinates of this point. So I know that this is the origin, right? So x here is 0. In order to find what point is here, I will have to set x squared minus 2 equal to 0, right? Because it's the intersection between the blue graph and the x-axis, which is 0, right? So I would set these two equal to each other, which means x equals plus minus square root of 2, but because I am on the negative side, I'm going to consider this negative square root of 2. And now we learned that if we want to find the area between two functions, we would say area is the integral from a to b of f of x minus g of x, where f of x dx, where f of x is the function, the larger function, or the one on top. Basically, like if I make a quick sketch, like this is f and this is g, right? F and g, then this would be that distance that I'm calculating, and dx. All right, so basically if we take a look at the graph that we have here, if I want to find that f and that g, when we draw this line here, we would see that f would be the x-axis and g would be the blue line. But here it would be x-axis and the red line. So what it means, because I have different functions for g, I'm going to split this at this point here where the red graph intersects the blue graph. And I want to find out what is this coordinate here. That's my goal. So in order to do that, I'm going to set x equals x squared minus 2, or x squared minus 2 equals x. So we are finding the point of intersection between the blue one and the red one. So this one means x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. We can factor it into x minus 2x plus 1 equals 0, or we can do quadratic equations, and we get x equals 2 or x equals negative 1. And obviously, this one is the correct one for our problem because we are on the negative side. All right, so now how I'm going to calculate the area? Well, I'm going to split the area into two areas. I'm going to say area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is the one that comes from negative square root of 2 to negative 1, and then the difference between the x-axis, right? This tiny distance is between x-axis, which we saw that the x-axis means y equals 0, so 0 minus the blue graph, which is x squared minus 2 dx, plus the second area comes from negative 1 and goes to 0, and again the distance is from x-axis, which is y equals 0, minus the red line, which is x dx. So we set up the integrals and we can calculate them from here. So really quick, I'm going to open up these parentheses, so negative x squared plus 2 dx. Then I can pull out this negative here, minus integral from negative 1 to 0 of x dx. And when you calculate these integrals, make sure you clearly write your antiderivatives. So integral of negative x squared is negative x cubed over 3 from negative square root of 2 to negative 1, plus 2x from negative square root of 2 to negative 1, minus x squared over 2 from negative 1 to 0, and let's compute them. And after making the computations by hand, we ended up with final answer 8 square root of 2 minus 7 over 6. So we found the area um, shaded. I hope this helps.